If you're looking for cat activity trees, here's a collection you've got to see. Pets Lover Channel presents Top 10 Cat Activity Trees. Number 1, by Go Pet Club. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Amazon Basics. Number 3, by Armarkat. For more details about these cat activity trees products, just click this circle. Number 4, by Go Pet Club. Number 5, also by Go Pet Club. Find these cat activity trees at up to 70% off by clicking the circle. Number 6. Number 7, by OxGord. Click the description below to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Go Pet Club. Number 9, by Song Mics. Discover more cat activity trees ideas and items to explore, click the description below. Number 10, by Go Pet Club.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.